Indo Global Healthcare Summit and Expo 2014. This is taking place from June 20 to 22, 2014. The main theme of this particular event is innovations and advances. And we are only highlighting the innovations that have been taking place across the complete spectrum of healthcare in India and other parts of the world. Now, this type of event has taken place in USA in particular. It started with Cleveland Clinic and then the Harvard University Medical School and the Stanford University Medical School. They started doing a similar event, and we are the first people to organize this particular event in India. And we are very happy that the Indian Medical Association, the Indian Pharmaceutical Association, the Andhra Pradesh Federation of AP Chambers of Commerce, they are all associated with us in this exercise. But what is really very interesting is, for this type of an event taking place in Hyderabad, as many as 200 speakers from the entire spectrum of healthcare field, they are coming from different parts of the world, including India. Practically anyone and anyone who is who in India will be there. We are expecting around 4,000 delegates. There is going to be a major exhibition in which hospitals, diagnostic clinics, and also the pharmaceutical companies, etc., they will all be there. So it will be a very rich experience for people who come there to share knowledge and also to do certain amount of networking with their colleagues from other places, other institutions, other fields, etc. Delegates are not the speakers. Speakers are about 200 speakers, but these 200 speakers will be speaking in 60 different sessions spread over 3 days. So there is going to be a tremendous volume of papers, presentations, which we are going to publish during the summit. The complete list is there. I mean, practically all the major hospitals, and because in USA particularly, they are basically teaching institutions. So you find that the teacher there is also a doctor in the attached hospital. So almost everyone will be there. So it's going to be a very rich collection of people, and I have no doubt it will be a very... The countries represented in this particular thing as of now are USA, Canada, Australia, South Africa. Then there are one or two other African countries like Nigeria, Ethiopia, which are coming. Then in Europe, UK, then Holland, Germany, they are all coming. Japan, they are being represented. No, it is of course exchange of medical knowledge, but the basic idea here is to take advantage of the opportunities created by various innovations. So for that purpose, when foreigners come, the Indian participants can meet with them and discuss about the possibilities of having joint ventures, collaborations, etc. No, we are going to have it as an annual event every year. And luckily for us, the Andhra Pradesh Medical Council has agreed to give 18 credits for all those participants who attend this particular event. So which is a very useful thing for our doctors here as well as doctors from other parts of the world.